Hello guys, so I've been using InvGate Service Management for a while now at my small tech support firm, and I have to say, it's really changed how we handle internal and external service requests. From the moment I logged in, the interface felt surprisingly intuitive. The real-time dashboard reporting gives me a clear view of all ongoing tickets, performance metrics, and workload distribution without having to dig through multiple menus. This immediate access to key metrics is a game changer, especially when you're managing several service requests at once. You can spot bottlenecks, track ticket status, and monitor team performance at a glance, which helps prioritize and optimize the workflow. I particularly like how it organizes different help desks, not just for IT, but across other service areas in the company, so everything is centralized in one place. This is incredibly useful for businesses that handle multiple departments or services. For instance, if you're managing a customer service team or handling HR-related requests, InvGate allows you to manage all of that under one roof. The traceability of requests is solid, making it easy to keep track of everything from start to finish. It helps reduce errors, maintain accountability, and ensures no request falls through the cracks. One thing that really caught my attention is the trophy system for workers. It's a subtle yet effective way to motivate the team because seeing recognition for completed tickets or performance pushes everyone to stay sharp. This little feature adds a gamified element to the workday, making it more engaging for team members. It's a small yet powerful way to acknowledge hard work, boost morale, and encourage a sense of achievement. When your team feels recognized, even for small wins, it can significantly increase productivity and satisfaction. The HTML-developed application runs smoothly, and setting up automations for ticket assignments or escalations is pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. Automations like these are key for improving efficiency, especially when you're managing a high volume of service requests. Once you've customized the workflows, it runs on autopilot, which frees up more of your time to focus on critical tasks. However, there are a few quirks I noticed. If I add a comment to a ticket before selecting Solve and then try to close the ticket, I have to re-enter my solution for it to register properly. This can be a bit annoying, especially when you're in a rush or handling multiple tickets at once. Also, when a ticket owner has an out-of-office notification turned on, replying via email can accidentally create a new ticket, which can get confusing if you are handling multiple requests at the same time. This could lead to duplicate tickets or missed updates, so it's something to be mindful of when interacting with users who are on leave. I recommend setting up clear protocols or adding internal notes to ensure tickets aren't duplicated when someone is out of office. Printing ticket lists is another minor headache because the font is tiny, making them hard to read. While this might seem like a small issue, it's worth mentioning because for teams that need to regularly print tickets for physical tracking or meetings, it could slow down processes. Ensuring that the printed output is legible and clear would make this feature more practical for all types of businesses. From a pricing standpoint, the fixed tariff for small teams can feel a bit steep. For 3 people, it's manageable, but if you're a team of 4 or 5, you're looking at roughly $100 per month, which can add up if your budget is tight. However, when you compare it to other enterprise-level service desk solutions, InvGate offers a competitive rate, especially considering the depth of features it provides. It's a good idea to evaluate your team size and budget before committing. For smaller businesses, though, the cost might be a bit higher than what they are used to paying for simpler tools. Despite these minor issues, the system's ability to handle multiple unrelated tickets and keep everything centralized makes life much easier than juggling emails or spreadsheets. You no longer have to dig through multiple inboxes or maintain complex spreadsheets to track service requests. Instead, everything is centralized in one user-friendly platform. Customer support from InvGate has been responsive and helpful whenever I ran into a setup or configuration question. Having responsive support is vital, especially for businesses that rely heavily on these tools to manage daily operations. Overall, using InvGate Service Management feels like having a structured, tech-forward solution for service desks that goes beyond IT. It streamlines ticket tracking, encourages team performance, and provides meaningful analytics. These analytics give you insights into things like response times, ticket volumes, and team efficiency, which are key for continuous improvement. It's not perfect, but the benefits for productivity and organization outweigh the quirks. If you're looking for an all-in-one service management solution to stay organized and improve team performance, this platform is definitely worth considering. It's a solid choice for Shopify store owners or any business that needs a reliable system to manage service requests efficiently and gain clarity into team performance.